Hello everyone, here's what the finished nose of the snowman looks like. Now, let's crochet this section together using orange yarn. For round 1, we need to work 6 single crochet around a magic ring, 6 stitches in total. Now, left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make one magic ring. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is one single crochet. We can see the V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 5 more times to work 6 single crochet. The second single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. If you have more than 6 stitches, undo them until you count 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Put the yarn tail on the hook, then crochet over it as you work to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. The slip stitch at the end of each round is just for transitioning, it does not count as a stitch. For round 2, we need to work 6 single crochet, 6 stitches in total. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch. The second single crochet. Three, 4, 5, 6, 'This is the slip stitch. This is the chain stitch. The beginning chain and slip stitch at the end of each round are just for transitioning, don't count them as stitches. So, we need to skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave an 8-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Turn the piece inside out to the right side. Finished the nose of snowman.